Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on keyboard control inside Serato so keys map to playback. Once Serato is focused, load a track into Deck 1 and test basic transport. Space for play/pause, Q for return. Make sure your laptop's function keys aren't hijacked by OS shortcuts. Disable or hold FN if necessary. If you use an external USB keyboard or controller, plug it in before launching Serato so the software enumerates devices properly. Once done, you'll be ready to assign or use default mappings. Now customize mappings so you match your workflow. Open the mapping editor and click the control you want to change, then press the keyboard key to bind it. Choose whether the key is toggle, hold, or momentary. This affects behavior for cues and effects. Set min/max values for knobs or tempo control if supported. Test each assignment immediately, trigger a hot cue, engage a loop, nudge pitch, and tweak sensitivity until responses feel natural. Once mapped, save the mapping profile to reuse later. Finish by organizing and protecting your setup. Save and export the mapping profile and name backups so you can restore quickly. Use a modifier key like Shift to layer alternate functions without remapping everything. For live sets, keep a small subset of essential keys active to avoid accidental triggers. If you encounter latency or dropped key presses, make sure your CPU isn't maxed, lower buffer/sample rate, update USB drivers, and close background apps. If problems persist, reload the profile and reboot Serato before troubleshooting further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.